Hi, my name is Brian and I am the head of hydroponics here at Cletus Farms. Today we are going to talk about pH and adjusting it. So what is pH? pH is a scale from 0 to 14, 0 being incredibly acidic and 14 being incredibly alkaline or basic. It's the measure of hydrogens in your water, but you don't really need to know that. There's a couple of ways that we can measure this. One is using a pH meter. pH meter is very simple. You turn it on, you stick it in your water, and it gives you your number. We're going to show you today how to use indicator. Indicator is a liquid that changes color based on the pH of the water. So here there is a scale of colors. You can see here that incredibly acidic is a number 3 and it's red, and basic is 10, which is blue. So this indicator goes from a range of 3 to 10. Here I have slightly blue liquid, which is about a 9. Here is a slightly yellow liquid, which is probably somewhere between 5 and 6, which is exactly where we want to be. So the ideal pH range for most plants is between 5.5 and 6.5. Now this one is the other end, so this is red. This is at least a pH of 3, but this is incredibly acidic. So we're going to test water really quick using this indicator. You take your small vial, you put it in the water, get a little bit of water in it, make sure it's not too full, pour a little bit out, and you open up your indicator bottle. So this is your indicator. Maybe, I think the bottle recommends 3 drops. 3 to 4 drops doesn't really matter. The color will be very visible. And then we're going to shake it up and then compare that to our chart. So it looks like here we are somewhere around 7.5 to 8. So now I need to adjust, right? 7.5 to 8 is higher than I want it to be. I want it to 5.5 to 6.5, so I'm going to take a pH down. Now, if it was low, like the red vial I showed you, which is at a 3, you would use a pH up to bring it back up. But because we need it down, we're going to use the down. Now, you're going to add just a small amount of this to your water in increments. So you want to add some, test your water, add some little more, test some water. The reason to use a small amount is if you're only doing about a gallon, you only need a couple of drops to adjust the pH. If you're doing 250 gallons, you need significantly more. Now we're going to adjust the pH for everything. So the same rules apply for seeding as apply for in your hydroponic units. That's pretty much it for pH today. I am Brian. Keep on growing.